guys, I am Urvi Veera and welcome back to my channel. If you're already following me, I am here with an exciting video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks related to fashion, style, makeup and a lot more. So let's get started with today's video. So today we are discussing about 15 ways on how to look expensive, polished and classy without having to spend a lot and being on budget. So before we start talking about this topic, I would like to tell you guys why am I here with this topic. So basically there's this misconception that when you want to look expensive or rich or polished, you need to spend on things which are expensive as well. But that's not true. Also, there is this thing that always when we buy some things, we think we want to be on budget. We always plan a budget. But sometimes there are times that we get attracted to celebrity wearing some absolutely amazing outfit or footwear or some things that we see in a fashion show or television or website or also at the weddings which are designer or high-end products. What happens is that when we spend on something which is high-end or designer, the budget is eaten up just in one single item. And when we divide our budget spending on different brands which are local or when we go street shopping, it just gets you a lot more stuff in comparison. So how can you look stylish, polished and expensive without having to spend a lot of money, without spending on high-end products and being on budget is right here. So let's get started with our first tip. Very first tip is that always wear fitted clothes, something that fits you properly, something that is actually of your size. Ill-fitted clothes make you look clumsy and it just doesn't look classy. Starting with the second tip. The second tip is your bags. The purses or the bags or the handbags that you use have to be structured with fine lines, and the pattern bags just doesn't go with the classy style. The basic looking bags which have just basic textures and solid colored looking bags are perfect for looking classy. So the next one is that wear structured clothes like puff sleeves and silhouettes that have trousers, pencil skirts or blazers. They just elevate your look. Stick to neutral colors. So neutral colors are absolute saviors, like the browns, the olives, the blacks. These go really well when you want to look classy. Avoid wearing prints. Stick to the classics. Always stick to the classics. Classic pieces like white shirt, tailored trouser, a proper fitted jacket or blazer, pencil skirt, they just look very fine, very defined and also elevates your looks. The fabrics come into the story like silks and velvet and also fox fur or such fabrics that look very classy have to be in the picture. So when you're getting something tailor-made, this works really well. Also when it comes to the Indian outfits, sticking to the saris which fall into the Banarasi category or something which has been classic throughout the journey works really well. Always match your bags and your footwear. That's the easiest way to follow on some rules that just make you look classy, and stick to the similar tone. Say if you're going for a tan belt or a tan bag, make sure your footwear is near to the tan color. Or if you're going for a classic black leather bag, then go with the classic leather black shoe. This one is my absolute favorite tip, which is monochromatic look. So monochromatic look looks absolutely stylish because it just elevates your look to the next level. Also, in this you can break the rule of neutral colors because monochromatic look, when you follow up for solid colors, a little bit of brighter shade in color, it also still looks classy and it doesn't spoil the look and doesn't make it look clumsy. Go for statement sunglasses that go absolutely well with your face shape. Understanding that which style goes well for you is really important. Sticking to aviators, cat eye and sticking to the classics like when it comes to the colors also. say the brown, black or the cheetah print are really good. Going for reflectors will absolutely spoil your look, so do not choose those. Be it flat or heels, go for pointed toe footwear. They actually look really elongated and it also looks absolutely polished. Keeping your makeup absolutely subtle, a natural looking makeup, and going with the foundation that is correct for your skin tone is really important to make you look classy. Go for a signature red lipstick. A signature red lipstick, which means selecting the perfect red color for your skin tone. Stick to minimalistic when it comes to the accessorizing. Yes, just go for basic diamond studs or go for a diamond pendant which is very tiny with a simple chain. Something that we have overlooked throughout this time and something we avoid most of the times is your nails. Yes, nails have to be really groomed well. If you're not fond of applying your nail paints and going for extensions or anything, just file them well. Chipped nails or worn off color and also very long lengthened nails are really bad, and non-groomed nails just make you look really clumsy. So always focus on this topic as much as you can. Invest in a good classic watch. Yes, a classic watch, say with the metallics or in the leather, but anything that has a little bit of gold, rose gold or silver which goes well with your undertone is absolutely helpful for each and every look that you create. Do not imitate someone else's style or personality which is not comfortable for you. Be comfortable in whatever you're wearing, because if you try to do something which is out of your comfort zone, you might always be fidgeting about it and you might always just keep thinking, if this is going well, am I looking perfect, or this is right, or does this color suit me? So do not be in any confusion. Be always proper when it comes to your comfort zone. And remember, confidence is the key. A teeny tiny bit of your confidence is just gonna make you look classy, and anything that we have discussed in the previous tips will always fall apart if you're not confident about what you're wearing. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if this was really helpful to you guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also leave us a comment on which tip was your favorite. Also, if you're going to try any of these tips and tricks for looking classy, do not forget to share your pictures with me on Instagram. I'm leaving my Instagram page link in the description box. See you next time. Till then, be stylish, be fashionista and love yourself. Toodles!